Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Walmart has released their Black Friday ad. You can find the ad on walmart.com. Right on the homepage, you'll see these circles. If you scroll down, you'll see deal drop, toy deals, and then you'll see Black Friday ad. If you are going to click off this video now and go take a look at the ad, please give this video a thumbs up. I'm quickly going to scroll through this ad and look at some electronics deals. Here right on the first page, you'll see the OWN 50-inch Class 4K Roku Smart TV for $148. Right next to that, 65-inch 4K Philips Android Smart TV for $278. Right on the top hand corner, you'll see the OWN 40-inch for $98. Bottom of the page, Apple Watch Series 3, $129, and the Apple AirPods are also $129. The Black Friday sale starts online Wednesday, November 27th at 10 p.m. Eastern Time, and in stores Thanksgiving, November 28th at 6 p.m. Here on the second page, they have the iPhone 6s for Straight Talk or Total Wireless for $99. Bottom of the page, they have the PlayStation 4 1TB bundle for $199 and a hoverboard for $89. Here on this third page, right on the bottom, they have the RCA Portable HD Roku Smart Projector for $99, and right next to that, they have another RCA projector which looks a little bit smaller for $49. Then they have the Google Smart TV Kit, $35, Roku Ultra with JBL earbuds, $48, Roku SE, $18, and on the top of the page, they have a few TVs, 65-inch 4K Vizio for $398 and 58-inch OWN 4K Roku Smart TV for $198. Here on this page, they have the Beats Solo wireless headphone to $129 and some AirPod wannabes for $15 right on the bottom. Next page has the Night Owl HD 4 camera security system, $150, Arlo 3 camera security system, $179, and a Netgear Nighthawk AX3000 router for $99. They have a Lenovo Smart Clock, $39, Google Home Mini, $19. This next page has the HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop, i5 processor with the NVIDIA GTX 1050 graphics card for $499. Next to that, they have a curved gaming monitor, $178, and it looks like it's 165 Hz. If you're looking for a gaming desktop, they have the HP Pavilion with an i5 and a GTX 1600 for $579. Right under that, they have the HyperX Cloud 2 Pro Gaming Headset for $59 and a Razer Mamba Wireless Gaming Mouse for $50. They have some budget tablets right on the bottom, 10-inch for $59, Samsung Tab A, $149, and a 7-inch tablet for $28. And this one's pretty interesting. Sylvania 10-inch tablet and a DVD player combo, $59. Next, they have some laptops. On the right side, they have the Samsung Chromebook 3 for $99. Right under that, they have a SanDisk 64 USB flash drive for $7. And some printers on the bottom of the page. They have a HP LaserJet Pro for $59. Very good price. Next, they have some cameras. If you ever wanted a GoPro Hero 7 White, you can buy one for $139. Top of the page, they have the Fujifilm Instax Mini 75 bundle for $50. That would make a great Christmas gift. And they have some micro SD cards on the bottom, 128 gigs for $14 and 64 gigs for $8. Here are some prepaid cell phones, Samsung Galaxy S9 for Straight Talk $399, LG Stylo 5 for Straight Talk for $99, Samsung Galaxy A10e for Straight Talk $49. Right at the bottom of the page, they have the Zoomy wireless charging lamp for $15. I bought that last Christmas. I still use it today. Here on this next page, they have some prepaid cell phones for AT&T, Verizon, and Family Mobile. $39 for the J2 Shine, $1988 for Nokia 2V on Verizon, and $39.88 for the LG Journey for Family Mobile. Next, you have some gaming consoles. Xbox One S 1TB all digital edition console, $149. Right under that, they have the Xbox X 1TB console Gears 5 bundle for $349. On the right side, they have the PlayStation 4 1TB bundle, $199, and they have the PlayStation 4 DualShock controllers for $39. They also have the new Call of Duty game for $38 for PS4 and Xbox. They're also going to have some $30 games, some $27 games, $25 games, and $20 games. Also $15 games. They're also going to have the Nintendo Switch Mario Kart 8 Deluxe for $299 and some Turtle Beach Universal Gaming headset for $25. Then you'll see some movies for $396, 4K movies for $796, and some Blu-ray movies for $596. This next page is going to show you some home products, cooking stuff. You have the iRobot, Dyson. Toys, some ride-ons for $98, $39, and bikes for $44. You have some $5 toys, $20 toys. You have some clothes. Some car and hardware stuff. Get your tires now. Here on these last pages, it says buy now begins midnight November 14th, Eastern Time, November 13th at 9 p.m. Pacific Time, online only. So this sale has started now. They have a few laptops here. They have an i3 for $299, AMD Ryzen 3 for $249, 55-inch 4K JVC Roku for $269. Bottom of the page, they have the Galaxy Tab A for $77.99. They have the Mi Box right on the bottom, Android TV $39.99. They have a gaming chair for $109, a 60-inch RCA Roku Smart TV for $319. Next, you'll see a vacuum, a freezer, and a trampoline. They have some bikes and a hot tub for $249. And you can always compare prices. Best Buy has released their Black Friday ad, and so has Target. Before I end this video, I want to thank everyone who has supported this channel by liking and subscribing. If you would like to see similar content like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.